So about 3 weeks back, I was heading back home from a long shift, and by a long shift, it was like an hour, of Doordash, where I just completed my Subway delivery. And I was headed back home. I was like, I'm exhausted. I've worked so hard today. I need to stop working this hard. And the entitlement should stop there. But yeah, I was heading back home from a Subway delivery, and I got another delivery, and I was like, damn, I forgot to turn off my Doordash or end my dash. Now I'm gonna get punished, or my ratings are gonna go down because of declining all these deliveries that I've been declining as of late. So I was looking at my screen and I saw a request for a delivery from Smart and Final. Is that how you would say it? I'm not sure. But I saw a request for a delivery from Smart and Final, and I was like, I'm not sure about store deliveries. I had never done store deliveries before, and I was like, I want to decline this, but I'm kind of curious. But I also had a lot of questions like, will I have to do the shopping myself? Will the delivery take more time? Will I get paid the same, or will I get paid worse than restaurant or fast food deliveries? And that day I was kind of tired, so I was like, fine, I'll decline it. About 2 days later though, I got another order from Smart and Final. I live close to a Smart and Final, so if you're wondering why are you only getting Smart and Final store deliveries, that's probably the reason why. But I got another delivery request from Smart and Final. It was 3 items, and I'm not gonna say the guy's name because I want to keep his privacy, I guess, or recognize his. Just yeah, let's go. So yeah, I got a request for an order for 3 items, and I went over to the store, and when I arrived at the store, I was curious as to what I would have to say. So I went up to the first cashier I said, I'm with Doordash, do I get the items for this guy? And he was like, yeah, sure, stand over there. We got a guy that's going to come up and he's going to hand you your order. Now, I would like to preface this story by saying sometimes you have to do the shopping yourself. Sometimes the store clerks or store workers bring it out for you, and in this case they brought it out for me. It was a small delivery, so it was only 3 items, and I just took the delivery. I was like, thank you guys so much for your assistance. This is my first time, so I was a bit unsure. So I went back to my car, went and completed the delivery as you ordinarily do. Now, this was a quick, simple, and easy store dash. Now, there are more complex store dashes where you have a lot more items and you have to do the shopping yourself. And if you've done Instacart, you might be familiar with this, but you go into the store, sometimes you do your own shopping. I'm not sure if you use your red card or not. If you guys have more information about store deliveries, please leave them in the comment section below. But honestly, they're not that much dissimilar to actual restaurant deliveries, at least in my experience. You go up to the register, you ask for you tell them your Doordash, give them the name, they call somebody up who's already picked up the items, and they'll usually hand it to you. If not, you might have to do your own shopping, and when you get a store delivery request, it'll usually tell you at the bottom if you'll have to do the shopping yourself or not. And I try to avoid those because number one, it takes much longer, and as a dasher, you want to complete the deliveries as quickly as you can to maximize your earnings. So you get paid based on the amount of work you do, not by the hour. So you want to complete the deliveries as quickly as you can, essentially. But anyways, guys, I know this video was quite limited when it comes to information. I have done about 5 store deliveries. I always try to keep the items less than 5 items per delivery when I'm doing store dashes, because I don't want to have to run to the car multiple times. I don't want to do the shopping for the individual. I just want to do the delivery. But anyways, I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. Why did I do that? But anyways, hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one.